How to record a slow-mo video on the iPhone 16 series. First, swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, launch the camera app. Next, at the bottom here, you want to swipe across until you see it say slow-mo. Now before you start recording, you can change the resolution settings in the frame rate. So you can tap at the top here to change it to HD, 4K, or 120, or 240 FPS. Now you can also zoom in or zoom out. And you can also change the exposure, brightness, and so on. You can also choose whether to use flash or not. So we can have flash on, or we can have flash off or auto. Here I will turn on the flash because my screen flicks a lot because I have my LED and fluorescent light turned on at the moment, and that causes the screen to flick a lot. So once you are ready, just tap on the record button to start recording your slow-mo video. In here, I'm going to roll the orange across. And once you're happy with the recording, you can tap on the stop button. Here, we'll replay the video. And this is the slow-mo video in replay. See if I can move it forward a little bit. It's also recording sound in slow-mo as well. Here is now the orange rolling back and forth. And that's it. So that is how you can record a slow-mo video on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.